So today we are going to be learning about fractions. Now, a fraction is an equal part of a whole or a set. Let's just say we have a square over here and we split it into two parts. So because there's two parts, the two represents the whole part. And if we cover up one part, the one represents a part. So we can call it 1/2. But if you have a rectangle, we split it into four parts, and the 4 represents the whole part, and the 1 represents the part. We will call it 1/4 or 1/4. Now, a fraction is the number that shows equal parts of a whole, right? So the number 1 in the top, or the part, is called the numerator. But the number in the bottom, or the whole, is called the denominator. There are a few ways to represent a fraction. One of them is fraction bars. So this is a fraction bar. So the 4 parts represents the whole parts, and let's cover up 3 parts. So the 3 represents the number of equal parts. The other way is to represent using an area model. So let's say we have 8 squares and we cover up 3 of them. So 3 out of 8, the 3 is the number of equal parts and the 8 is the whole parts. The other way to represent a fraction is using part of a group. So let's just say we have a group of 7 triangles and we cover up 2 of those triangles. So it becomes 2 out of 7. The final way to represent a fraction is using a number line. So let's say we have a square and we split into 2 parts again. And we're going to add the number line from 0 to 1. So let's cover up half of that square, which means we're going to shade half of the number line. So it becomes 1/2. But then if we cover up the entire square, we're going to cover the entire number line. So it becomes the whole, or 2 out of 2. So let's make another number line from 0 to 1, but we split it into 4 parts. So in each step, it represents 1/4. So if we do 1 step, it's 1/4. But if we take 2 steps in total, we have covered 2/4 of the entire number line. And if we do a 3rd step, it becomes 3/4. And the final step, it becomes the whole, or 4/4.